In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with WhatsApp. First things first, you need to navigate to Zapier's website. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing the URL zapier.com. Zapier is an excellent tool that automates workflows, allowing seamless connections between different applications like WhatsApp. This integration can be incredibly powerful, enabling you to automate some of the repetitive tasks between WhatsApp and various apps you use daily. Once you've arrived at the Zapier homepage, the next step is to log in to your account. You'll find the Login button in the top right corner of the page. Click it and you'll be prompted for your credentials. If you're not already registered, consider creating an account to explore the numerous functionalities Zapier has to offer. Logging in will take you directly to the Zapier home, where the magic happens. Now, once you're on the home page of Zapier, your next move is to proceed to the App Connections section. It's located in the navigation bar, and this is the gateway to setting up new integrations. Here, you will manage all the apps you wish to connect. Think of it as a control panel where your automation dreams start coming to life. In the App Connections section, you'll see an Add Connection button. Give that a click. This is your portal to link new applications to your Zapier account. It's how you will start integrating WhatsApp with other tools you use. When you select Add Connection, a search bar will appear. Type in WhatsApp to locate it in Zapier's library of apps. This will allow you to find WhatsApp quickly among the list of available services. Once you see WhatsApp appear in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This action initializes the process of linking WhatsApp to your Zapier account. After selecting WhatsApp, you'll need to click Add Connection again. You might notice we do this twice, and that's quite normal as it establishes the link between Zapier and WhatsApp. This step is crucial because it ensures that the two platforms can communicate with each other. It creates a bridge that enables seamless automation of your WhatsApp activities, making everything much more efficient. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up Zapier to work alongside WhatsApp. You can now automate various tasks that would otherwise require manual effort, saving you valuable time and effort. Explore further and see what kind of zaps you can create to simplify your workflows. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and convenience brought on by this integration. Thank you for watching. And now it's your turn to start creating and automating.